Hello everybody, how are you all doing today? Today I would like to give you a tip on how to have ease with difficult people and difficult situations in your life. So let me tell you, if you don't like someone or you're faced with a stressful situation, there's nothing outside you can do. You have to work on your inner self. As you know, we cannot change things on the outside. For example, if the weather is hot, what can we tell the weather to become cold? No, right? We have to wear sleeveless, or we have to wear cotton clothes that we feel better. In the same way, if we have difficult situations or difficult people in our life who we can deal with, first tip I would like to give you to have ease with difficult people is stop judgment. Stop any judgment you have about the person. Very, very important, because judgment kills any relationship, whether it's a parent child, a couple. Judgment just kills the relationship. Even I tell parents, when they are shouting at their children, don't shout at their children and demean them. Shout, maybe tell them nicely about the behavior they did, because this is very important for the child growing up years. And also stop judgment about that person, and all the stories, take a pen and paper, and all the stories you have about the person, whatever you want to write, you don't have to tell anyone. Just keep writing, and then just tear that paper and release it. Just release it and cancel, and keep writing. Remove all your negative things about that person, or any anger, hatred you have with that person. Just write in a piece of paper, tear it and throw it, and keep doing that for few days until you'll feel a blankness in your mind. And then you write a new story about that person, or a story that has never been created before. Like, for example, you can ask this question: how can I create my life today? How can I create my life with this person today? How can I have better and more harmonious relationship? You notice one thing, I'm not telling you an answer, I'm giving you a question, because when we work from question, not an answer, you will start seeing various shifts in your life, whether it's relationships, whether it's finances. And if you're faced with a difficult situation, say, what else is possible? How does it get even better than this? I'll repeat: if you're faced with a difficult situation, say these two questions: what else is possible? How does it get even better than this? And see what changes in your life. I would really love to hear from you. So please email me on hello@natashaadvani.com, and please see my website on www.natashaadvani.com. Thank you.